Hey guys, so this is me going over Tuesday CK plan. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here where it says skills lesson, and it's going to bring you to this, and it says read the mouse. It says read the story in your workbook or on the paper provided. So you can either open up your fish book to pages 197 and 198, and that's the story, or you can click here where it says skills practice, and it will bring you to a PDF of the same story that's in your workbook. So if you don't have your workbook or you just rather read it on here, that's fine. So what your job is to read this story 2 times by yourself or to someone in your house. Read the story the best you can on your own. See how much of the story you can read without help from someone else. You will answer some questions about the story another day. So all you need to do today is read the story The Young Mouse at least twice. And that can either again be found in your fish book or they have provided a PDF document for you. So real simple, real easy for today. And I know that you guys are all doing amazing and I'm so proud of you. Keep it up. Bye guys.